Hello friends, have you ever received an SMS from a company or website you registered with? Do you ever wonder what would change if your brokerage could send SMS? I can answer these questions because of our company's unique place in the market. We speak to a lot of brokers and we know and share the struggle. So today let's talk about SMS sending services and the role they play in your brokerage. In this video I want to talk about the web to SMS service, about boosting registrations, SMS as a security feature, traders' confidence, and finally about SMS marketing. First though, just a few words about technology. This will be quick. SMS sending service lets any application send SMS messages from the web. Their API asks for the full phone number and message body, and that's it. Then it just sends it. You can also batch the messages as for bulk sending. Because of that, there are usually a few limits as to the maximum batch size, maybe some daily, monthly limits, and perhaps the length of the message. And that's it. That's all there is to it. Simple. Now, the major advantage of this type of messaging is that there are no barriers for the SMS because there are no SMS spam filters. Now, how can we use SMS service to improve our Forex brokerage? First and foremost, it can boost signups and minimize abandoned registration forms. You may have noticed that many new apps these days during the sign-up process ask the user to verify the phone number first. They send an SMS to the number provided and the user is expected to type in the random code from that SMS into the application before the user even gets to see the registration forms. I made a simple video about registration form types some time ago. Check it out. But this is a very nice way to ensure that the user finishes the registration. And if they don't, well, you know their phone number. Free bonus right here, you just confirm their phone number for KYC. So just like that, we improved the conversion rate. Now let's consider the technical side. It will be on your technology provider side, such as us, to make sure that the phone number provided is in the correct format and to make sure that the message queued for delivery is a top priority. If the message is not delivered right away, your registration stop altogether. Your development partner will also need to provide a way for the user to change their phone number during and after the registration. But you gotta do so in a very secure and user-friendly way to prevent phishing attempts and other kind of funny business, yeah? Now, this brings me to the point number 2. SMS as a security feature. Since you verified the ownership of the phone number, upon registration, you can now notify your traders via SMS when certain activity occurs. I usually recommend limiting those types of messages to the most critical ones. You got withdrawal confirmations and perhaps new login attempts after some time of inactivity. You can also do two-factor authentication, but there are better ways to do it now without any messages. You can save yourself some money here. Next, let's talk about messaging to boost traders' confidence. Every broker wants to appear transparent and boost customer loyalty in any achievable way. Here are some of the ideas for you to notify your clients about. So you got the news about upcoming events that affect markets. You got new symbols becoming available for trading, maintenance periods, margin warnings on open positions, and also reminders to close positions by certain days or hours. These can be automated and your traders will love that. Finally, about marketing. In our opinion, using SMS for mass marketing is not a good idea. There are many reasons for this. The main one is that the SMS API gateway will not like you sending marketing messages. The reason for that is that the SMS API service that you use is directly integrated with cell phone carriers. And since there are no spam filters, the majority of cell phone carriers simply limit or ban all marketing materials altogether. If you abuse this, your account with the API service will be closed on a very short notice and there's going to be no way back. So don't do that. So that's it. Few words in conclusion. There are quite a few web to SMS API services available out there, but do check out their pricing and deliverability. Make sure the region you will be sending to is covered. It helps that there are finally some leaders in the industry, such as Twilio. They allow you to send multiple types of messaging in a single unified API. That's pretty cool. That makes me very happy as a project manager. Definitely avoid spamming mass marketing messages of all sorts. And I'm sure you'll see this spike in your conversion rates just because of the boosted levels of loyalty and trust. One more thing. In addition to SMS, you could consider WhatsApp messages. There's an API for that. There are also browser alerts or email messages, but we're gonna cover all those in another video, and I'm gonna structure them nicely. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Have a good luck today. See you again next time. Goodbye.